Balloonist Sylvia Ang performing live at the M Park Sunday Car Free event at Esplanade Park near the Kids Zone on the 27th of March 2006. I shall perform a live performance on how to make a princess. Come, I will do a pitch brush balloon, anchor it, then I shall make the hair. I take a lightly 260 balloon, inflate it, tie both together, okay, I need to make a pinch twist to anchor the hair and next make a little bubble for the hair and then a bigger bubble, and then now I'm going to make the hair. Okay, one hair loop, one pinch twist to anchor, one more hair loop, one more pinch twist. Okay, almost done with the part of the hair. Now I make the loop. Okay, I'm done with the hair. I'm going to cut it away. Okay, I'm going to make the neck. Another pinch twist to anchor the neck. And then I cut it away. Huh? Okay, you see, I have finished my princess with the hair loop, the bun, and the face and the neck. Next, I'm going to showcase to you how I sculpture a balloon, shoulder pad, and the dress.